Hi, and welcome to Off the Clock Attorney Talk. I'm Scott Hislop.
And I'm Brad Crockett, and this is our next video in this series on estate planning. Today we're going to talk about how to find an estate planning attorney, what to look for in that attorney, and then how to prepare for any meeting you have with that attorney. So Scott, let's start at the beginning. How do you find an estate planning attorney in your area?
The best way to find an attorney, in my opinion, is to talk with your friends. See who they've used, if they enjoyed that person or not. Check with your CPA, check with your financial advisor, or other attorneys that you know who don't necessarily work in the estate planning field. So referrals is really the best way to find an estate planning attorney.
What if the people I talk to don't have anyone that they refer me to? Is there a way to find whether someone does estate planning?
You can go the old-fashioned way and look at advertisement, look online. And if you do go that route, as well as if you get a referral, it's always good to interview your lawyer before they become your lawyer. Ask them the questions, make sure there's a good communication connection, and that you have a good feeling, that you understand the fee structure, that you understand the relationship and how it's going to work, what's expected of you and what you expect of that lawyer. There's no fear in asking questions. Lawyers are going to be working for you. That's the way it's supposed to be.
So Scott, if my wife and I have found an estate planning attorney that we want to use, what should we do to prepare for our first meeting?
Well, presuming that you both want to have your estate plan done at the same time with that same attorney, do some inventory, do some thinking before you get there. What are your goals? What do you value? What's important for your legacy? And understanding some of those things, making sure you're either on the same page or that you're not on the same page, because you can each do your own estate plan. These are difficult discussions and not always fun to talk about, but I think they're important to have gone through once or twice before, so that when the attorney asks you questions, you're ready to give some answers and or have already started that process of thinking. So looking forward to what's going to happen to children, who's going to take care of children, where your spouse wants to live. Is the house the same house they want to stay in? Do they want to be in the same spot? Is there sufficient life insurance to take care of where you want to go, what you want to do? What are the assets? Where are the assets? And making sure that both spouses understand where those are and have an idea of where they can find the information and feel comfortable talking about that at least a little bit.